Mr. Speaker, I come under 8 to 4 label between the matter of budget programs that has to do with budget need to restore and bring back the electricity supply to Mosoga, Germany, and West Local Government, which has been out of power for the past 8 years and it has now led into crisis. The youths have taken decisions that have leaders and the worries of Peru is now under insistent blockade because of the fact that they don't want to leave and stay for Christmas without electricity. Mr. Speaker, if we go from us and the House who has done a lot for other people, that this situation which all the needs of matter of content are important to avoid destruction of property and life, I beg to move that it will take you immediately. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I remain honorable. Yes. I represent the good people of Owerri Federal Constituency. I rise to support the motion heavily moved by my colleague. I do by second. Thank you.
Matter of urgent public importance on the need to address the protracted blackout of power and restore electricity to most of the kingdom and Ejemu communities in Ugara, Etiop West, to forestall the looming breakdown of law and order in the local government. The House knows that for about 7 years, major parts of Etiop West local government area of Delta State, particularly Mosoga and Ejemu communities, have been in total blackout as a result of total failure by the Benin Electricity Distribution Company to discharge their duties in distribution of electricity to the affected areas. Aware that BEDC promptly collected bills from customers, but whenever there are technical issues or faults requiring the attention to fix the asset, such as transformers, cable, poles, etc., under their management and or control, the company abandons or abdicates such responsibility by compelling the customers to fix such faults or provide money to purchase it. Further aware that efforts by procuring transformers stepped down from the BEDC since 2015 did not yield fruit. In 2016, the BEDC, in one of their memos to the community, as a condition to bring a step-down transformer that could service the increased demand of electricity in the community due to expansion, requested the community to pay all outstanding debt, which amounted over 12 million naira. However, despite the prompt payment thereof, the BEDC brought a substandard transformer with low capacity to the community, and barely after 2 days of installation, the transformer gone off. Similarly, in 2018, the state government brought another step-down transformer, and this was reluctantly and improperly installed by the BEDC and immediately got damaged. Conscious that the community approached the Delta State government again sometime in 2020, and 2 units of 2.5 kVA transformer were provided for Mosoga and were divided into substations. As a result of the time the project was completed, the BEDC refused to energize the step-down but demanded for a connection fees of 10 million naira. This money was paid by the community, but shortly after BEDC installed the transformer, it crashed again. Worried that the leaders of the affected community have made several efforts to work with BEDC, including payments of millions of naira to provide solutions, yet no result, as the BEDC have failed, refused, or neglected to creditably perform their responsibilities, but have continued to reap the communities to consumers of millions of naira through their illicit demands. This accounts for the failure of electricity supply being suffered by the consumers of the affected community over the years. Concerned that members of the community pained by the years of power blockers have protested severally, which has led to frequent blockage of major roads, including federal highways. Recently, the chairman of the local government and other officials of the council were attacked, and a December 24, 2021 ultimatum demanding for the restoration of power to the affected community was issued. This poses a serious security challenge to the community and the road users. Mosoga Ugara is home to College of Physical Education, an affiliate of some university, a gateway to the Benin-Warri Expressway into the East-West corridors, and other critical state and federal government infrastructure. But with the perennial electricity challenge leading to total darkness for more than 7 years, the increased population and commerce of the area is being adversely affected with its security attendant economic and social implications. Believe that the management of BEDC has failed woefully in the discharge of their obligation to electricity consumers in the affected communities, and the Nigeria Electricity Regulation Commission, NEC, is complacent for its lack of proper supervision or initiation of performance bonds to discos. The House hereby resolves to direct the Committee on Power to invite the management of BEDC and the Nigeria Electricity Regulation Commission for proper interaction to sustain the root cause of the perennial lack of or total failure of electricity supply or distribution to Mosoga and Ejemoyari, another affected area of the local government, with a view to finding a solution. 2, Nigeria Electricity Regulation Commission to be up to their responsibility of supervision and ensure that distribution companies all over the country don't continue to thrive in deceit and rip-off of consumers. 3, that NERC should initiate a performance audit on all discos to either perform the terms of their obligation to Nigerians or close shop, which would enable companies with the requisite capacities take over the electricity distribution company service in Nigeria. 4, to report back to the House in 2 weeks. I beg to move, Mr. Speaker. Thank you very much.
For please say aye. Those against please say nay. The ayes have it. All right.